Hi, what's up, guys? Today I'm taking one of the app that's make help of you. This app is look like an like simple calculator that's like but this app is some different. So friends, let's go to the Play Store and type calculator plus. So when you type this calculator plus, you show many calculator apps. So show you need to click this application. You can see the icon as I draw. You can see it's very well done. So install it, accept. mm, you can see this image. It's like a normal calculator but it's something different. Let's show you. It's take some time for installing. Okay, it's done, and open it. Let's you see, please enter a 4-digit number as your password. So friends, so you should remember a 4-digit password for to use for unlock it. So I use 8089. Okay, confirm. So friend, now you thought how can you use it? So I like show you. If you like use them as a simple calculator, it will show you answers. When like if anyone type this, mm-hmm. So don't know what. You should need to type this password 8089. It will open. You can add any apps as you see, gallery, camera, recorder, or private browser. You can add some third party apps from it, like I am open MX Player. Okay, so it takes some time for create it. It will create in some time. You can reset your pin and change your languages. Contact us with them from Facebook and Persa. So friend, our MX Player tool is ready. So open it. You can see like it is in a like normal player. Then I show some setting. You can see, and now I show the real MX Player. I will change this style. Okay, what's problem? Control bars. I make them green. Okay. Last your friend, I am playing son of a video in it. Oh friend, I play this. There is a some problem. I will show you some. I need to take some settings. You can see this like I will change them. Now go to the real space. I will close all of them. This was a real MS player. Now I am opening a new. You can see this like a normal MS player. That's like it. So friends, now you understand it. So friends, thanks for watching this video, and please like and share this video and comment on it how this video I made it. Please subscribe my channel. I am a new YouTuber from in, so please help me for a grow up. Thanks.